Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Prakshal. Good morning, Gaurang. Good morning, Shreya Khandelwal. How are you, Gaurang? You're good? So today we have to conclude the chapter and also discuss the questions and answers from this chapter. Ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's wait for some more participants.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Gracie Upadhyay. How do you do?
Sir, I'm good.
Okay, me too. So the chapter is on the face of it. We have been reading this for 3 days. And as we begin today, the conclusion, the final part of the chapter, before we begin, let's begin with word of the day. I have written it, I had sent it. So what is the word for today? Any one of you? What is today's word?
Sir, may I?
Yes, say
Was capacious,
capacious. And the meaning of capacious is
capable of holding much, or spacious or roomy.
so capable of holding much more place, more space, or it is spacious or roomy. For example, the bus is capacious enough to hold 50 persons. Now let's talk about the aim of the today's class. So we are going to discuss the characters and questions from the chapter. Whatever we have studied, we shall discuss about the characters and about the questions and answers. Keywords, only one is there, that is panting. Panting means feeling short of breath. Now if you talk about the characters, you know very well in the chapter the two major characters are there. One is Derek, a 14-year-old boy, and second one is Mr. Lamb, an old man. And you know about their character sketch, about their personality, about their traits. So Derek is a 14-year-old boy. He has got a burnt face. He is very negative. He is negative to very very extent. Even about his parents, he is much negative. He is not positive about anyone in his life, neither his friends nor his parents nor anybody. He doesn't have friends. He remains alone. He loves to live his life alone. In fact, he doesn't love his life, but still he is living. He is dragging it. He is taking it as a burden on him. Whereas Mr. Lamb, he is an old man, around 70, 75-year-old man. And the common link between them is that both of them are suffering from disfigurement, same kind of suffering. Mr. Lamb, his one of the leg was blown off and he had got an artificial leg. It was made of tin, artificial leg, whereas Derek's one side of the face was burnt from acid. But that burned face, the burning from the acid has not only burnt his external face or external body, but also his inner soul, his inner mind, his feeling. And therefore, he is completely negative. But when both of them unite together, when negative plus positive joins together, what it becomes? What is the rule of the maths? Yes, what is the rule of the maths? When two minus come together, what
Sir,
happens?
it becomes neutral.
Yes, it becomes, speak louder, minus minus plus.
It becomes positive plus.
Yes. So you might have read that in 9th class, 10th class, till those who have got mathematics, you might be reading. So,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, what happened?
So, but here one is negative and one is positive, so it should be negative, no?
You should know better. You have studied maths. I have studied long time, 20 years back.
Yes, sir, but negative and positive is equals to negative.
So minus minus is equal to plus, plus minus is equal to minus, and minus
Yes, sir.
plus is equal to
Minus.
minus, minus plus minus plus minus 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 plus. Yes or no? Yes or no? Say confidently. Are say yes. All of you have read Shikha,
Yes,
Shreya.
sir.
Yes, what you are
Yes, sir.
taking first time, Gorang, Soni, Chirag, all of you. You were fantastic in mathematics. Now what happened? You don't remember the
Thank you,
formula.
sir.
Yes, so it's correct. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus plus, or minus plus minus.
Minus.
So negative positive positive, or negative positive negative. What it will become? Positive? Okay. So if we talk about from the mathematics point of view, we will have different formula, different result. But here it has positive result. Here we have positive result. So here it becomes minus plus plus. It might be different in mathematics. So mathematics has got different formula, but life has got again different formula. That's the beauty of life. So one negative meets another negative. It makes that thing also negative. Whereas here the positive is stronger. The reason is that positive is stronger. Negative was equally stronger. Negative was also stronger, but it overpowered. Positivity of Mr. Lamb overpowered negativity of Derek. And he was successful in changing the attitude, the thinking of the boy. So yesterday we had left this chapter, only one page is remaining. First we finish this, then we shall go for the discussion of question answer. Okay, so first part I will read. I would read the part of Derek, and I want someone to read the part of Mr. Lamb. So who would read the part of Mr. Lamb loud and clear? Those who are interested.
So, may I?
Okay, so Gracie has raised her hand. Okay, so come back to page number 66. We had left that yesterday. Okay, I am reading from Derry's part. Pay attention. You are like the others. You like to say things like that. if you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. I am a devil, don't you? Mr. Lamb doesn't reply. He has gone to his bees. Derry, quietly. No, you don't. I like it here. Derry gets up and shouts, I'm going, but I will come back. You see, you wait. I can run. I haven't got a tin leg. I'll be back. Derry runs off, and there is complete silence in the garden. The sounds of the garden again. Mr. Lamb.
There, my dear. That's your scene too. Ah, we all know. I'll come back. They never do, though. Not them. Never do come back. The garden noises fade.
So Mr. Lamb says that there are people who come to me. There are people who do like this. They say, I will come back, we will come back, we shall come back to you. So in life also you might have seen this kind of tendency among people. People say, yes, I will do it for you. If you ask somebody, will you help me? Will you give me this? Will you lend me this? Yes, I will. They say, they say that they will help you, but they never do it. So some people, just for the sake of saying, just for the sake of words or saying, they say it, but they do not mean it actually. So Mr. Lamb also is telling that Derry also is like that. Derry also will do the same. I know there are people, I have experienced people who come to me and they say, we are going and we shall come back tomorrow. I shall come back after some time. But they don't do so. Scene 2. So up to here we have read whatever about the scene 1, and now we are going to read scene 2. What happens in the scene 2? Let's see. So this is the scene in Derry's house, Derek's house. Derry, after returning from Mr. Lamb's garden, he comes back to home to meet his mother. And now what happens? What does he see? What does he talk to his mother? Let's see it here. So now I need mother's part also. Who is going to read mother's part? Any one of you?
So I'll read.
Who? Prakshal?
Gracie.
Yes, Prakshal read mother's part.
Yes, sir. You think I don't know about him. You think I have not heard things.
You shouldn't believe all you hear.
Been told. 1. We have not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there.
What are you afraid of? What do you think he is? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden. And I want to be there and sit and listen to things. Listen and look.
Listen to what?
Bees singing, him talking.
And what's he got to say to you?
Things that matter, things nobody else has ever said, things I want to think about.
Then you stay here and do your thinking. You are best off here.
I hate it here. So here in the conversation, you would see that Derry and mother is talking, and Derry wants to return. Derry's mind has been changed now. He wants to go back. He wants to return to Mr. Lamb, to Mr. Lammy Lamb. He doesn't want to listen to even his own mother. The mother was afraid of the stranger. She had heard certain things about this strange man, and therefore she didn't want to send to him. But Derek wants to go. He is changed now. His attitude, his mentality, his thinking is changed. So therefore, he is stressing, he is telling her mother to allow him to go. Mother, read.
You can't help the things you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you.
So mother is saying, I don't blame you. Whatever you are saying, whatever reason, whatever explanation, you are arguing with me. You are not able to control yourself, your emotion, but I can't blame yourself. I don't blame you. If anyone is there in place of you with the same disfigurement, he would say same thing. Derry, it's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I don't care about that, and it isn't important. It's what I think and feel and what I want to see and find out and hear. And I'm going back there only to help him with the crab apples, only to look at things and listen. But I'm going.
You will stop here.
Oh no, oh no. Because if I don't go back there, I will never go anywhere in this world again. The door slams. Derry runs, panting, and I want the world, I want the world, I want the world, I want it, I want it. And the sound of his panting fades. So you could feel here that he was so much influenced by the words, by the positivity of Mr. Lamb, that he didn't stop. Even his mother tried to stop him, but he didn't stop. Continue.
It's now for Mr. Lamb.
So, scene 3, Mr. Lamb's garden. You could hear sound in the garden, the noise of a branch shifting, apples thumping down, the branch shifting again. Now, Mr. Lamb, Gracie, read.
Yes, sir. Mr. Lamb. Stevie, that's got it. That's it. More apples fall. And again, that's it. And a creak, a crash. The ladder falls back. Mr. Lamb with it. A thump. The branch swishes back, creaks. Then silence. Daddy opens the garden gate, still panting.
Dairy part. You see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back. I wanted. He stops dead. Silence. Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb, you have. He runs through the grass, stops, kneels. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. You fell. I'm here. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. I came back. Lemmy Lamb, I came back. I did it. I did it. I did come back. Derry begins to weep. Derry begins to weep because the man, the personality that had transformed his life, his attitude, his thinking, that person himself has left him. Only the person in whom he confided, in whom he felt relaxation, that person also had left him. So he was very sad. He was very, very sad. He started crying. He started weeping on his knees. And he was telling, Mr. Lamb, wake up, wake up. You see, I have come. I have kept my words. I have not let you down. But unfortunately, Mr. Lamb doesn't wake up. He had left this earthly life and moved on for the heavenly life. So he died, but before his death, he had so much influenced. He had transformed the boy. He had transferred the rays of positivity to Derek. So that's the end of the story. I hope everybody has understood and all of you have learned a message from the story. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody? Anybody has any doubt, anything to ask regarding the characters in the story? No?
No, sir.
Now we shall discuss the questions and answers. Question and answer from the chapter. Are you able to see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you can see the questions and answer on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first question is written for you and the answer also is there for you. So I am reading the question for you and then we shall discuss the answer. Yes. So the question is, who is Mr. Lamb? How does Derry get into his garden? I repeat the question. Who is Mr. Lamb? How does Derry get into his garden? Yes, who wants to answer this question?
So
Any?
can I answer in my words?
Yes, of course, you should answer in your own words. These texts are written only for your help, only to guide you. You can use your own language. Yes, answer.
Okay. So Mr. Lamb is an old man. He served in the army where one of his legs was blown off in the war, and now he has a tin leg. He even keeps the gate of his garden open that so that he could make the relations or can time spend his time, and most of his time spent in reading books or sitting in the garden.
Right.
And
Anyone
Derry
else?
comes into his gar-
Continue,
and
continue.
Derry comes into his garden by climbing the wall, even though the gate was open. Perhaps he doesn't want to be noticed by the people by entering through the gate.
Okay. So who is Mr. Lamb? Mr. Lamb is an old man with a tin leg. His real leg was blown off years ago during the war. He lives all alone in his house. There is a garden near the house. It has ripe crab apples looking orange and golden in color. Mr. Lamb is sitting in his garden when Derry climbs over the garden walls to get into his garden. Through the gate, though the gate is open, the boy doesn't use. What do you think? Now I'm asking another question in this only. Though the gate was open, the boy didn't use it. What do you think? Why so? Why Derek didn't use the gate?
So may I?
Yes?
So because he does not want that people should notice him because he had a burnt face.
He didn't want to meet people. He didn't want to interact. He didn't want to see anyone because if he knew if people saw him, they would run away from him. They would hate him. They would tease him. They would insult him and all kind of negative you can imagine. Therefore, the boy didn't want to go through the main gate. Next question. Do you think all this will change Derry's attitude towards Mr. Lamb? Now somebody has done this. Now who is this? So anybody who is doing it, don't do it. What you want to tell me, you can tell directly. Don't show your frustration or your irritation on the screen. Nothing will happen to the computer screen. It's a non-living thing. It has got no emotion, isn't it, Gorang? Vedika?
सर मैंने थोड़ी कर
सर मैंने भी नहीं किया.
No, I'm just telling your name. I'm just asking you. It is non-living thing, so don't do it. Only the expert can do it. Now, who is the expert among
सर
you?
वेदिका might have done.
Yes, I know Vedika is very good in computer. Now I will have to
मैंने
erase
नहीं
it.
किया.
You want me to waste the time in erasing it, isn't it?
सर मैंने नहीं किया.
No, one of you. I'm not saying you. One of you among you, one who is the expert. So I know that you are extremely intelligent. You are good in computer. You are good, tech savvy, but all of your teachers are not tech savvy. Yes. Now, how to remove this? Who will guide me? How to remove this?
So the one who have done this only can remove this.
I think I can also remove. I don't know how, but some eraser might be. Yes, somebody has removed it. Okay. So thank you very much to that someone who had removed that, who had put that. Okay. So I think it was Gracie who guided that.
No, sir.
No, I think it was Gracie who was trying to give the answer. So the question is, do you
Yes.
think all this will change Derry's attitude towards Mr. Lamb? All this means all this conversation, all this incident. Do you think all this will change? Yes. Who want to say the answer? Do you think all this will change? Yes. Who is going to say the answer? You can read even the answer.
So may I answer?
Yes.
So initially, Derry thought that Mr. Lamb was like other people, so he drew back from him. But he found that Mr. Lamb to be different from others. Mr. Lamb said peculiar things which Derry was unable to comprehend. So, but he felt that these things doesn't matter. But Mr. Lamb was able to inspire him and build the self-confidence and the determination to overcome his physical impairments.
So this will come for 6 marks, longer type of question. You must write more in that. Okay. So Mr. Lamb learns from Derry that the latter doesn't like being near people. They stare at his face and feel afraid of him, as half of his face has been burnt by acid and looks very ugly. Mr. Lamb offers him a new way of thinking. He tells him about a person who was afraid of everything and locked himself in a room. A picture fell off the wall on his head and killed him. Derry finds that the old man says peculiar things. He is further surprised to learn about the old man's habits. He loves to read books. His house has many books. There aren't any curtains at the windows. He likes the light and the darkness. He keeps the windows open to hear the wind. There he says that he too likes to hear the sound of rain on the roof, but he also hears people talking about him and his future. The old man tells him that he has all the God given organs. He will get on the way he wants, like the rest. He could even get on better than them if he made a firm decision. He tells Derry that hatred is worse than acid because it can burn man from inside. He should not worry about his burned face or what people say about it. All this brings a positive change in Derry's attitude towards Mr. Lamb. He promises to come back after informing his mother. He asks Mr. Lamb about his life and friends and recognizes his loneliness. And disappointment. He keeps his promise and returns only to find Mr. Lamb lying on the ground. So the question was, do you think all this will change Darius' attitude towards Mr. Lamb? So yes, we got the answer that it had changed Darius' attitude towards Mr. Lamb and towards life also. He had a negative attitude towards life before meeting with Mr. Lamb. But now he had a complete changed personality after meeting to Mr. Lamb. Next question. What explanation does the small boy offer for coming into the garden? How does Mr. Lamb react to it? I repeat, what explanation does the small boy offer for coming into the garden? How does Mr. Lamb react to it? Yes, would like to answer? Would like to answer? Any one of you? Say, one of you. Gracie, Prakshal, Gurang, Shreya, Vedika. What are you doing? Nobody has the answer. Are you there listening to me or not?
Yes, sir, we are listening to
And
you.
respond, at least respond yes or no. Any one of you. What happened to you all? You are contemplating about
Nothing.
Derek. Yes.
So we are thinking.
You are thinking, and for your provoking your thought, there are certain lines on the screen also. Some lines are written on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Question also is written and some hints are written for you. So the boy thought that this was an empty place. The boy gave the explanation when Mr. Lamb asked him, why did you come through the wall, not the gate? So he said that I thought that it was an empty place. He did not know there was anybody there. Mr. Lamb assures him that it is all right, boy, no problem. He asks the boy what he is afraid of. He tells the boy that the house is empty as he is in the garden and is likely to stay there. Such a beautiful day should not be wasted indoors. So that's very short answer for 2 marks. Next, I'm not afraid. People are afraid of me, says Derry. What do people think on seeing his face? How do they react then? I repeat the question. Derek says, I'm not afraid. People are afraid of me. अरे मुझे किसी का डर नहीं लगता. लोग मुझसे डरते हैं. What do people think on seeing Derry's face? How do they react then? Yes, answer.
So may I?
Yes, Prakshal, say.
So Daddy's face was burned by acid due to some accident. Whenever people see his face, they thought that he is such a poor boy and have a ugly face. Daddy felt very bad and thought that I am the worst and bad guy, and everyone is afraid of him.
Okay, very correct. Yes. So it's given here. On looking at Darius' face, they find it bad and frightful. They think that it is the ugliest thing they have ever seen. They call him a poor boy, as one side of his face has been burnt by acid. Some of them are afraid of his ugly and horrible face. So you could also write the answer in your own words. Not necessary that you should copy the refresher or bookish language, but you must be able to write the answer in your own words, in your own language. But your language must be correct. It should be comprehensible. It should be easy. It should be accurate. Next, how does Mr. Lamb change the subject from ugly face to ripe apple? Or how does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy when it is a bit cooler? So how does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy when it is cold? Any one of you? How does he keep himself busy when it is cold? In
So
your
may
own words. Yes, say.
So when he was talking to Derry, he thought that it is a something different moment, so he should change the subject. He asked Derry that whenever he felt cool, and he took his stick and ladder and climbed on tree to pick up to pluck apples. He asked him to help him so that he could make jellies from from that apples.
Right, absolutely. So there is a momentary pause in the conversation. Then Mr. Lamb changes the subject. He says that when it is a bit cooler. So, when we were reading the chapter, we have seen when Derry was continuously talking about his negativity, about his face. He thought that Mr. Lamb would be interested in his face, asking about what had happened to his face, why it is burned, how did it, etc. But Mr. Lamb was not interested. So, therefore, he is asking him, how did he change the subject? So, it is written, there is a momentarily pause in the conversation. Then Mr. Lamb changes the subject. He says that when it is a bit cooler, he will get the ladder and a stick. Then he will pull down those ripe crab apples. He makes jelly, he makes candy. He calls these orange color and golden apples magic fruit. September is a good time to make jelly. He tells the boy that he could help him. He could come and give him help in his process of making jelly and candy. So this is how he changed his subject. Why, according to Derry, has the old man changed the subject? So Derry says that people always change the subject. They don't ask him about his physical impairment. They simply pretend that it is not true and it is not there. They don't want the boy to mind and get upset. He thinks that the old man has changed the subject because he is afraid to ask him about his burnt face. So he thinks like that. That's his opinion. Next question. You got burned in a fire, says Mr. Lamb. What do you think had happened to Derry's face? Yes, who would answer this? You can answer it by heart. What had happened to Derry's
So
face?
may
Yes, say.
So Derry's face was partially burned by acid, but Mr. Lamb thought it might be burned due to fire. Actually, he got an accident which burnt his half face due to acid. He thought that Derry Derry's face was eaten by sorry. Derry says that acid ate his face partially, and no one wants to talk him, and everyone think that he is a different people.
Okay. Yes, so direct answer we have got that his face was burnt by the acid. Now, last question, and you will do it from home. You will practice it yourself. And the question is, we are not the same, says Derry. How does Mr. Lamb try to convince him that there is no essential difference between them? We are not the same, says Derry. We are different. And how does Mr. Lamb try to convince him that there is no essential difference between them? Both of them are same. This question you have to do yourself.